All right, y'all. It's the middle of June, and I just wanted to let y'all know if you started the year going hard on your goals, or you had goals to begin this year, and you've fallen off multiple times, or you've just given up. I think you should hop back on and get back to it. I don't want you to think just because it's the middle of June, it's the middle of the year, that you don't have the opportunity to give yourself the boost necessary, right? Most people's New Year resolutions are around their health, their wealth, their relationships, their career or business, basically those things. And there's never not a time when it's good to get back to improving upon those things, right? So that's the message for today. The reason being is because I saw that in myself. I saw that I had a goal that I set, not necessarily a New Year's resolution, but something that I set for myself. I had no motivation to get it done because in the beginning of the year, if you have something scheduled for or planned to do, like in the summertime, fall or winter, it seems like it's so far away. But now that summertime is officially here, right? At the same time, I'm not going to punish myself for being where I was and doing what I did or choosing other. Okay. So that's very important. I just wanted today's video to be a reminder for you to just get back on it. It's never too late. It's all in the mind. The month doesn't matter. Focus on the fact that you have something that you want to get accomplished. If you had a weight loss goal and it was tied to the specific season, like having a summer body, girl, it's summer somewhere else. It's gonna be in the fall. It's gonna be summer somewhere else on earth. So just prepare your summer body to be a summer body in another country. How about that, right? If it's money, it's definitely not too late because we still have 6.5 more months of the year. If it's the relationships, make the calls, send the texts, reply to the emails, just do what you need to do. If it's a relationship you want to end or you want to set boundaries with, just do whatever is necessary to get it done. It's never too late. That's the thing. If you woke up this morning, that means it's not too late. That means you have this current moment to achieve and to work towards the goal that you have in mind, right? So we have to get out of this mind frame that it's the middle of the year, so I'll just wait till next year. No, next year is not promised, but right now is, because you have it right now. So maximize the time that you do have, and most importantly, enjoy it. Don't beat yourself up for what you didn't do. Just focus on what you should be doing now and get started. And also add to the challenge, I challenge you to start today, the day you're watching it. If it's Monday, okay, cool. But I don't want you waiting until Monday to start. I think every day is a good day to start. Why? Because the day you have is the current day. And that goes along with my theory that we should all be decreasing the time between our idea to execution. We should be decreasing that time. We should act on what it is we want to do sooner, much sooner, if not immediately, than waiting for some future time just to be pleasant to ourselves. No, just get to it, and just divorce the idea that you have to wait to another time period to get started. The time is now, right? And so I'm launching a live course that I'm going to start on Monday, for anyone who has purchased my 100 days one you so far. And it'll be a live weekly course, and we're going to do 100 days together. And if you're not familiar, 100 days one you is a guidebook and a habit tracker that I created. I used it to lose 50 pounds last year. I used it to start my business. I used it to consistently post here on YouTube every single day for the last, I think, 139 videos in 139 days. So it's very helpful in multiple areas of your life: health, wealth, whatever it is you want to achieve. And so I had the idea in the beginning of the year that I was going to start in the spring. I did not do that. So I'm going to do it now. I was like, wait, it's still like 202 days left in the year. I can literally run 2 consecutive live cohorts with people who've already invested in working towards their goals, and we can do it together. So that's what I'm doing, because I really do want to build more momentum in my life. And the people who have subscribed to my newsletter, subscribe to my YouTube channel, if you haven't already, make sure you do that, or purchase a product that I created out of my mind that worked for me. First off, thank you so much for believing in me and believing in yourself. But why not, right? As the parade leader of building more momentum in your life, why not do it together? I think by yourself is going to help your mental health, but when you do it with the community, I think it's going to be helpful. We'll see. I cannot wait to get into this live weekly workshop teaching, and I'm really excited about it. I've never done it before. I definitely have been a part of other people's projects and live workshops, and so it is what it is. My New Year's goal was to begin this back in March, but it's June, and guess what? It's all good. We're going to keep the ball rolling. So, do you have something in your life where you had planned to start back in January around New Year's and you haven't already? I want you to think about that and how you can just start immediately. Why? Only barrier is in your mind. The only barrier that's really true are almost always able to disappear with a little bit of resourcefulness, creative thinking, and reframing how you're looking at it. All right. Again, if it's health, summer bodies can still be loaded right now. If it's wealth, it's always a good time to be making money. Relationships, always a great time to set boundaries, rekindle old relationships, or improve upon the ones that are important to you. All right. And most importantly, self, you the number one stunner. Prioritizing you as you build more momentum in your life is a necessity. If you are interested in building more momentum in your life, be sure to click the link down in the description. I would truly appreciate it. In the meantime, in between time, my name is Spivey J, and I really do hope you have a beautiful day. All right? Peace. You're beautiful. I hope you know that. I hope you know that. Today's video is going to be super duper quick. Y'all, let me tell you. I don't know what I'm supposed to be telling you. I feel